Hey guys, well today we're a little bit further away from home than usual. I am at Baxter State Park. I'm actually in the north entrance and I got really lucky to see an old friend of mine who is a park ranger here, and it was very special seeing him. Really grateful that I did. So just going to take this short little hike. I had never really explored up this way too much, aside from when I'd actually come up with him and he'd showed me around a little bit. It was during winter time for the most part, and he had taken me down to South Branch Pond, I think it is. So I got to go down there, and we ended up going sometime in the fall. We checked out the wilderness, scientific wilderness center type thing that they have out there as well. So I just drove around that and went to the lake, and now I'm just going to hike down here. It's obviously very wet still, but that's okay. I got my rubber boots, and I want to see what the falls look like. I can start to hear the falls from here. So this trail is pretty woodsy. There's a lot of rocks, a lot of like roots in the way. So it's not a very smooth trail by any means. And at this time of year, you definitely want to wear your muck boots because it is really wet. I just had to go around a branch there. I found my favorite trail nibble, and I will be having some. Take a couple of leaves from there. Have to lift up my bug mask. I got a bug net over my face because it's nasty right now. So yeah, you can see it's pretty wet, pretty muddy, but otherwise plenty easy walkable. It looks like nobody's been down here at all, but there is a sign-in book up top, and it looks like the last time someone was here was on the 18th. So today is the 22nd, I believe. And hey, sorry if this is super wobbly, guys. I do not have my stabilizing stick with me. So it is what it is. I think this is the trail? Question mark. Oh. Not too much of a trail, that's for sure. Okay. I can start to hear the falls really well from here. Now we're just starting to go down a steeper embankment. This might be a pretty nice set of falls here. We'll have to see. It sounds better than I expected because I couldn't quite see the brook from the road. And when I could, it looked really small and shallow, so I was thinking it was probably going to be a small waterfall, but that sounds pretty good. Sometimes it's deceiving if the falls, if it's just kind of rocky. It'll sound like there's a big waterfall, but it's kind of just the water flowing over the rocks. Looks like there's a big washout here. So that's good to know for anybody coming down this way. Oh yeah, big old washout. Looks like it was made into a trail. So that's cool. An on-purpose washout? I don't know. Nice. Well, thank you, rangers, for doing this, or whomever did that for us. So it looks like the trail goes that way. There's another spot here and over there. We'll follow this way, though. It says the trail's this way. So we're gonna follow it. Ooh, just what I was looking for. I needed something to change the flavor in my mouth from lettuce leaves, so I'm taking a tea berry leaf. So good. Ooh, this is really pretty, guys. This is really, really pretty. This isn't the falls, but we're gonna have to come down and check all that out. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty, guys. I'm glad we came here. I wasn't even gonna. Oh wow, this is neat. Look at this ledge. Oh my. I guess you walk up the ledge for the trail. I don't know. Huh. We're gonna find out. Wow, look at that water. It is so clear. Oh wow. This is cool. This is cool, guys. Haha, yes. I'm so glad I came here. I almost brought my fishing pole too. I kind of should have. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, there's a hawk up here. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Happy girl. Wow, guys. Ah! The trail goes right down there. I'm like giddy like a kid right now. I didn't expect this. Wow. Thanks, guys. This is cool. Ah. Wow. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. It goes down further and further and further. You guys, this is probably going to be a longer video than expected because I want to show you all the way at the bottom. Oh, did I miss a good fishing spot? Wow. Maybe I should come back. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. You guys, I'm in love. Woohoo, Nelly. Oh, you guys, this is too cool. Too cool. Oh, love it. All right, let's see if we can get down below. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I can't even breathe right now. Wow. There's a trail going down there, but I think we're gonna go back this way because it shows that the trail will go down here as well. So let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoops. Of course, the downside to holding your camera while descending is you don't have your hands to balance. Oh my gosh, but it's worth it. You guys. This is probably the wobbliest video ever, but I think it's my favorite. Oh, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I really want to see if I can cross the brook, but I probably can't. Because the other side is the side for pictures, for sure. It looks too deep down here. Darn. Darn, darn. Wow. Falls, guys. What a beautiful, epic sight. Wow. It's gorgeous, guys. Thanks for watching.